Celebrating Darwin Day, a video tribute. Welcome to an exploration of Darwin Day, a celebration of science and humanity guided by the wisdom of Charles Darwin. Every 12th February, we honor the birthday of a man whose ideas revolutionized our understanding of the natural world. Darwin Day isn't just a nod to the past, it's a call to embrace curiosity and scientific inquiry in our lives. Through his theory of natural selection, Darwin taught us that diversity and adaptation are the keys to survival and growth. This day is an opportunity to reflect on our place in the universe and to foster a love for science in others. Communities worldwide celebrate with educational events, discussions, and activities aimed at promoting scientific literacy and environmental awareness. Let Darwin Day inspire you to question, learn, and appreciate the intricate web of life that connects us all.